Hey guys, this is Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses podcast. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about something I just haven't mentioned it on the show, and that's the level of influence that women have had on my entire career. I just haven't talked about it, but literally the first time I made six figures, it was because a brilliant engineer approached me, believed in me, and hired me to work for her and had me traveling the world to Hawaii, to Germany, to she was brilliant and hired me, believed in me enough to give me that shot. First time I made six figures. First time I got hired, another pivotal point in my career was the first time got hired in Verizon was because a coworker and friend of mine, Gigi, referred me to be a cybersecurity consultant that I did for Verizon for 3 years, and it was pivotal to my career. And just recently, because of the brief job that I had as a cloud security person, was because somebody reached out to me who happened to be a woman, got me that job. So the influence that women have had on my life and my career, specifically brilliant technical engineers and scientists who've reached out to me and helped my career, has been huge. And I would argue that the impact on all of us has been huge because if you look at people like Katherine Johnson, Mary Jackson, Miss Norcutt, who were influential in NASA, these are NASA engineers, mathematicians, programmers who helped the Apollo missions. It was because of women. The influence is there. And not to mention Miss Lovelace from Victorian age, who had it basically because we're doing software engineering because of her. The influence of women on all of our lives is huge, and I want to introduce you guys to somebody who is carrying that torch forward. And here she is right here, Miss Davita. And I want you to introduce yourself, ma'am. What are you doing these days? What's inspiring you? What are you doing?
No, there's a lot. There's a lot that's inspiring me right now. But I think getting into government space happened actually after my spiritual awakening. That was the time I started because do have a 10 years background with e-commerce. That is where I've been doing a lot of things. So when after my spiritual awakening, getting into government contracting, I'm like, okay, what is this about? And doing
Right.
my research, and I thought about, okay, I'm going to get into GRC. And the reason why I focus on GRC because as a person, I'm pretty much a risk type of person. So I
Yeah.
always look at 10 years ahead, 4 years ahead. Like I'm always on the loop, like always like proactive. So when I got into GLC and then I focused on risk, which was amazing. But getting into government contracting space, I'm like, where are the women?
Yes.
And yeah, where are the women in general? That does not mean there are not women, but I just felt like a lot of women are hiding themselves behind. I'm like, why are you guys hiding? Because when you get into in general, when it comes to life in general, spiritually, it shows when a woman takes her foot forward, it's easy for the men to rise. You can help
Yes.
a man to your intuition to guide him. So I'm like, we're the women. So that was how it started off. Because when I got on LinkedIn, I started reaching out to other women who I saw in the government space, just thinking about mentorship. I'm like, there's no women in general. And I'm going to be very honest, in this space I've been in, the people who have helped me were like white women. They will come into my business. Oh, this is what I've done. What do you think? They're like, excellent, amazing. You're
Yes.
doing such a great job. But I'm like, when I reach out to some black women I've reached out to, they'll just say, congratulations, you're doing amazing. And that's it. I'm like, I was looking out for feedback, but that was it. I'm like, you know what? I have to be that woman in this space then because,
Wow. That's
yeah,
awesome.
yeah, I have to be that woman in this space. Let me throw
That
my light on women. Yeah, that
that
was
is
how it is.
incredible. Reading your back, I gotta say, let me just show your profile real quick. So I'm reading through your profile. So first of all, shout out to Larry, who's the one who told me about you, and I went on there and I'm looking at your profile, and I'm super impressed, especially by the business side of the house because that is not a lot of IT professionals do this, and even less GRC professionals do this, and there's a huge opportunity for it. So when I'm looking through it, I'm just really impressed. Like, what it's so impressed that I'm looking at it. I'm like, why don't I put my own business on my resume? Duh. Like, why? So I'm looking through how you did it, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's really smart. Okay. And then I started doing it myself. Like recently, like if you look at my profile now, it's different than what it was a few days ago because of you, by the way.